Hey guys, welcome to Sneha's Craft. This is part 2 of ring platter tutorial. The link for part 1 is in the description or click I button on the top right side. Take heart shape which I showed you in my last video. It's time to glue the ribbon. Take gold ribbon and glue it on the heart. Create pleats while gluing the ribbon. When I was gluing the ribbon, the best way I found to do it was to make and glue pleats on the ribbon first and then glue the ribbon to the heart. Then take U shape. I showed you how to glue these curtains in my last video. In case you didn't watch. Shameless self-promo. Now glue these foam roses on the top. If you want to make these roses, then check out my foam sheet roses video. Link is in the description or click I button. Again, shameless self-promo. You just have to make them without stem. I made 2 red, 2 gold and 1 mixed red and gold roses. Then I'm sticking this beautiful rhinestone rose stickers. After sticking this, keep it aside. I'll make rest of the decorations later once I stick it to the base. That way it will be easier to stick it to the base. Then take something strong for the base like cardboard or thick styrofoam. I glued 2 thick cardboard pieces together. The size is about A3 paper size. I covered one side with gold paper and sides with red and gold pattern paper. Then take 1 gold foam sheet and 1 red foam sheet. Cut 4 strips of each foam sheet and punch out 2 rows of flowers from each strip. Keep the flowers aside, we'll stick them later. Take the strips and glue to the other side of the base which was not covered. Glue 1 gold and 1 red strip. After gluing, cut the excess paper off of the both sides. Then glue the gold flowers in punched up gaps of red foam sheet strips and red flowers in punched up gaps of gold strips. This will give us beautiful patterned base. Sorry, my camera is out of focus sometimes. There was too much glitter in this part of the video. Believe me guys, I was trying my best to focus it. To make platform for couples figuring and ring boxes, take toilet paper roll, cover it as shown with pattern paper. I used the same paper I used for covering sides of the base. Put glue to the excess paper and glue it to the inside of the roll. You have to make 3 platforms like this, but all 3 of different size. The big one will be half of the roll, medium one will be about 3/4 of the remaining half, and small one will be the remaining roll. Then cut foam sheet circle and stick it to the one side of the roll. The circle must be bigger than the roll. Do this only to the one small platform, don't do it for the other 2 platforms. Why? I'll explain it later. Then glue red foam roses around the edges of the base to make border.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me, yeah.
Then glue U shape. I made this little foam sheet flowers. I watched Maina Innovative Crafts video to make this. I'll leave link for that video in the description. I made 2 gold and 2 red bunch of tiny flowers. I glued gold flower bunch around the red rose and red flower bunch around the gold rose. Then cut 12 foam sheet leaves, 6 red and 6 gold. Glue 2 leaves for each side roses. Obviously for red rose gold leaves and for gold rose red leaves. For middle rose, glue 2 red and 2 gold leaves. Then glue gold plastic ribbon curls on both sides. Then glue heart to the base as shown. Glue small platform and glue couple figuring on the platform. This figuring was in gold color and I wanted figuring in red and gold color. Didn't find, so I covered the bottom of this figuring with red glitter. And I glued the red foam circle on the platform so that the figuring blends with the foam sheet circle. This is ready-made rose I brought from the local market. Then glue big and medium platforms. Glue ring boxes on the two platforms. I also covered bottom part of the boxes with gold glitter. Then make two bows of red plastic ribbon and stick it on the lid of the boxes. Then glue more foam roses on remaining area. Created line of 4 roses. That's it, the ring platter is ready. Enjoy!
You gotta know